Unlock a new realm of creative possibilities by seamlessly merging the organizational power of Lightroom with the pixel-level precision of Photoshop. To begin, ensure you have both Adobe Lightroom Classic and Adobe Photoshop installed and updated on your computer. First, open Lightroom and navigate to the photo you wish to send to Photoshop. Locate the specific image within your library. Then right-click on it to reveal a context menu. From this menu, hover your mouse over the Edit in option. A submenu will appear. Select Edit in Adobe Photoshop 2020XY. The year may vary depending on your installed version. Lightroom will now process your request and send the image over to Photoshop. And just like that, your photo is now open in Photoshop, ready for advanced pixel-level editing like intricate compositing, precise color grading, or complex retouching. Once you've completed your edits in Photoshop, simply save the file as you normally would. The edited version will automatically appear back in Lightroom as a new file, right alongside your original, maintaining a non-destructive workflow. Now you have the best of both worlds. The powerful cataloging and basic editing of Lightroom, combined with the unparalleled manipulative capabilities of Photoshop. Master this integration to unleash your full creative potential. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more editing tips.